Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to bake some sweet potato soft cookies. Let's jump to our kitchen and let's the baking begin. Keep on watching! So guys, now this recipe is really simple and easy to do. Pretty much throwing everything in the bowl, mix them together, and bake in the oven. So first thing we're gonna do is to preheat the oven to 170 degrees Celsius, and let's prepare our baking tray. Just line them with parchment paper or a foil like this. Keep them aside for later use. So guys, let's start preparing all the ingredients we need in this recipe. Let's just put everything together. We're gonna do some French culinary term called mise en place. So we need half a kilo of cooked sweet potato, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of dark molasses, half a cup of peanut butter, 1/4 cup of flour, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And for optional ingredients, I have here white and dark chocolate chunks. We got all our ingredients ready. So let's start by mashing our sweet potato into the bowl, and by simply using a fork, just mash them until softened. Now, add all the rest of the ingredients and just mix them all together until it's fully combined. You can also use a standard mixer if you have, but I'm like, it's not too difficult to mix, so I'm just using a simple spatula here, or you can use a whisk if you like. So guys, once you got all that mixed together, what I am basically gonna do is to scoop our cookie mixture into our prepared baking tray, separating them so that when they do spread a little bit into the oven, they don't all stick together. Now it's time to add some optional ingredients here guys, like what I have right now are the chocolate chunks. You can also add your favorite toppings like nuts and some sprinkles, or you can leave this as plain as it is. Pretty much easy guys. Just throw them into the oven for around 15 minutes or until the top starts to get golden. And there you have it guys. That's my sweet potato soft cookie. Very easy, really simple, and give it a good if you like. And I will just let them cool for about 10 to 15 minutes on the tray before I transfer them, so that the cookie will get a little bit hardened. I hope you guys will give my recipe a try, and if you like this video, just give me a thumbs up, comment down below, click the notification bell so that you're always updated every time I upload, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Life is beautiful guys, keep smiling. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye!